Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to a new video. Today we are just touching up a few bits outside here. As you can see, we're just laying some concrete around the edges here. So this is being cemented now all the way down. So when they decide to break this wall and repair the fence, they can just repair that concrete as well. So we're just letting it set, and then we'll just pass the sponge over it and smooth it down nicely. So this is a downstairs toilet that we're going to be doing as well as part of the renovation. It's currently wallpapered. We're going to be taking all the wallpaper off, getting rid of this sink, getting rid of this toilet, getting rid of this tile floor. We're going to be we'll probably have to skim the walls once we take this wallpaper off, and we're going to tile up to halfway around the wall, probably up to the window level, and then the rest will be painted. We're also going to replace this for a spotlight and retile the floor, new toilet, new sink. So about to start stripping it out. So this is how far we got today. So we took all the wallpaper off. There's a few little scraps and stuff to come off, but we'll do these bits tomorrow. Main important parts we've done, which are, you can see where we've actually undercoated, giving it a coat of white, just undercoat it. The walls are very good condition. So just a few little spots here and there to fill in, which we'll do tomorrow, and then it's ready for paint. So the plan is that we've self-leveled this floor, took the tiles off. The plan is tile this floor and tile the walls up to the window level, and then paint the rest. So that's as far as we got today. So guys, thanks for watching. We will see you tomorrow. Take care.